Thinking back when I got first started with affiliate marketing, all the thoughts that I had, everything that was running through my head, and how could I get started? What did I need to do? All the fears of, fear of failure. A lot of people just don't want to even start something because they're just afraid that they're going to fail. They've experienced so much failure in their life, and they're just afraid to fail. I remember feeling like that, and I remember, knowing in the back of my mind that I just had to do something different. I was at a place and a time in my life where I needed to break free. I wanted freedom, I wanted financial freedom. I wanted time freedom. I wanted to be able to hang out with my family. I wanted to be able to work when I wanted. I wanted to be able to work from anywhere in the world. And I just knew that I had to do something different. And, I had tried so many different businesses and everything just felt so scammy. And there was so much failure and stuff. And I was just looking for that one thing that I knew was legit, that could tell me step by step exactly what I needed to do. And I started Googling and stuff. And, I came across an individual's channel that absolutely changed my life. And today I want to share with you 3 steps that you must take today if you want to make money in 2020, if you want it to be done online, or if you just want to find success, period. This video is for you. So let's get straight into it. All right, I hope you guys are ready to change your life today. I hope you're ready to make some extra money. I hope you're ready to make some big decisions, because what I'm going to reveal to you today, the steps that we're going to talk about, have the power to absolutely change your life, to help you build an online business, to help you be a successful person in general. Remember, I know exactly what it's like to be sitting in your position, searching around on the internet, trying to find something that's legit, something that had the power to actually change my life. I just needed something that I knew was real. And I want you to understand that what I'm sharing with you today is 100% real. And the only thing standing in your way from being successful and building your own online business is you. All you need to do today is focus on what I'm talking about, make a decision, and take action, and take massive action, and stay consistent. So let's get into this video. And by the way, you guys, if you like videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit the bell notification, because I come out with videos like this every single week, teaching you tons of great ways to make money online. By the way, I have tons of videos on this channel. Go through, check those out. There's a ton of great ways to make money online, but don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation directly beneath this video. That's where I got started a year ago today, and that's where I recommend that you get started on your journey to make money online. All right, you guys, I hope you're paying attention and you don't skip through any of this video, and you stick with me through this entire video, because it's all so important. Now, I want you to understand something. When I was getting started with affiliate marketing, what you think is that you're just buying into a program, and that, just buying a program, right, that tells you exactly what you need to be doing automatically is going to guarantee you some success. What you don't understand is that there's some things that are going to, have to happen with inside you, some things that are going to have to change before you're going to find success with anything, no matter what you purchase, right? Think of it like this. If you went and you purchased a gym membership, just buying that gym membership guaranteed that you're going to lose weight, that you're going to, get super fit? No, it doesn't, right? You have to purchase the membership. You have to have somebody there that's probably going to tell you, a trainer, someone that's going to tell you exactly what you need to be doing. But you yourself has to change as a person, your regimen, everything that you must go through, to showing up to the gym, to knowing what to eat, to following through, to staying consistent. You have to be doing all of those things. Otherwise, it won't work, right? So that's going to lead me into step #1, and that is understanding what you consume. And more importantly, what I'm talking about is what your mind is consuming, because mindset is everything. If you can control your mindset and you can keep the proper mindset for long enough, and you can change yourself as a person, then you can bring into your life whatever it is that you want to achieve. You really can. It's all about mindset. It's that self-doubt. It's that fear. It's everything that's holding you back. So how do we change our mindset? One of the ways that I do this, or actually a couple of ways that I do this, is I follow YouTube channels of individuals that have what I want, and then I model myself after them, because they have videos on there about motivation, about mindset. and I can see their progress. I can see, where they started and where they're at now. And I know that it's possible for me. So I consume that stuff and I turn off the TV, turn off all the junk, right? It's good to watch the news, but there's so much junk out there on TV, right? You may have to turn off your TV, start, cutting out all the crap. Just think about your body, right? The stuff you're consuming. If you're consuming a bunch of junk food, you're going to get very poor results. So cut all the crap that's going into your brain and start feeding yourself positive stuff. You can read books. I follow individuals on Instagram that have really positive quotes. Those are some of the ways that you can start controlling your mindset and feeding your brain what it needs so that you can get control over that. Now, step number 2 is, who do you spend your time with? Now, why would I ask that and why is that important? Well, because where you're spending your time and who you're spending it with has a dramatic impact on who you are as a person, your self-worth, and where you're at in your life. Now, I'm not saying that your friends and your family, that they're bad people. I'm just saying that their thoughts have got them to where they are. And if you're going to progress and you want to be better, or you want to go beyond that and you want things, way outside of that, you have to model yourself after people that have what you want, right? So we have to start spending time with people that have what we want. And this kind of plays back into mindset. Like I said, all of this kind of goes together. Now, think of it like this, right? Think of it like this as well, right? If you wanted the best results, and I'm going to keep referring back to this gym analogy, right? But if you were going to go to the gym, right, and you wanted the best results, this is one of the ways that you could get really good results fast, right? You start feeding your body, and for a gym analogy, right, you start feeding your body, what it needs, right? And then you would change out probably the people that you're spending your time with. If you started hanging out with people that were going to the gym every day and they were gym junkies and they were health nuts, and you swapped out some of the people that had some of the bad habits that you were trying to break, and you started hanging out with people that had what you wanted, you would automatically change your mindset. You would automatically change your lifestyle. And if you made this a part of your life and made this a habit that you were hanging out with people like that have what you wanted, you would automatically in turn eventually get what you want. And it would happen literally almost automatically, because you unknowingly are going to start modeling yourself and your behavior after the people that you're hanging out with. Now, the third step in all this is to take action, you guys. You can absorb all the knowledge in the world, but if you don't actually put yourself in the game and take action, then you're not going to get any results. Just think of the gym analogy that I used earlier. If you just bought a pass to the gym, but you never actually showed up and actually lifted the weights and stay consistent, there's a 4th step there too, right? You have to stay consistent. You have to consistently show up, taking massive action, keeping a positive mindset and feeding your body what it needs, and you'll get the results that you're trying to get in your business, right? I can show you the blueprint. It's my number 1 recommendation directly beneath this video right here. That's highly where I recommend that you get started. It's 100% legit. There's a whole team of people waiting to, help you out, hold you by the hand, and show you step by step exactly what you need to do. It does cost a little bit of money, you guys. It costs $7, but so what, right? You can go to McDonald's and buy a Big Mac for that. What's even better about that is the 100% money back guarantee. Do not let the $7, don't get hung up on the $7. That's really not important at all. Pay the $7, get started, get your business up and running within the next 15 days, and you can literally have an affiliate marketing business and be making money online within 15 days. I guarantee you that. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Hit the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I come out with videos every single week. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if there's some other videos you would like me to make, what that content would be. I always appreciate your guys' comments. Help support this channel, help me grow it so we can get this information out to as many people as possible. So that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.